how to log into Remitly app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Remitly account. To do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on Remitly. Now once you have done that, open the Remitly application on your mobile device. Soon after opening the application, you will land on this home page. Here, you will be able to see two different options at the very bottom. Create a new profile, and I already have a profile. Since we are going to log into your account, simply tap on I already have a profile. Once you tap on this option, now you will be taken to the browser where you will be able to see this login interface. Here in this page, in this first text box, you will need to enter the email address associated to your account. Once after entering your email address, now enter the password. Tap on the password text box and there enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. After entering the password, to check it, you can also tap on the I button at the right side of this password text box and then check if you have entered it correctly or not. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can also tap on this forgot password link just below the password text box, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to retrieve or recover it. And once after doing that, enter the correct password in this field and then tap on this login button right here. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be presented with this page. Here, if you haven't enabled biometrics, you will be asked to do so. But if you don't like to do it right now, you can also tap on not now at the very bottom. For now, I am tapping on this not now option. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have successfully been logged into your Remitly app. In case if you haven't allowed access to the notifications, you can simply tap on allow option at the very bottom in this pop-up. Now you will be able to use your Remitly application. So this is how you can log into your Remitly account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.